Kia ora. When I do my workshops with teachers, I always make sure that they get the opportunity to see that whereas they came with probably not a lot of pronunciation confidence, they can leave with being able to pronounce the longest place name in New Zealand. So this place is in central Hawke's Bay and there are several versions of it. As far as I know, this is the longest one, and it's really a little bit of a trick because it's a place name which is, you would say, probably more of a sentence than a word, but nevertheless we'll take it. It's near Porangaho, which is south of Waipukuro in the Hawke's Bay. So we know that this sound is au, so we can go tau ma ta, taumata, taumata. Whakatangi, taumata, whakatangi. So just remember your a, e, I, o, u. Ha, ngā, ko, au, o. Taumata, whakatangi, hanga, ko, au, o. Tamatea, turi, puka, ka, piki, maunga. Taumata, whakatangi, hanga, ko, au, o. Tamatea, turi, puka, ka, piki, ki maunga, ho, ro, nu, ku, po, kai, whe, nu, a, ki, ta, na, ta, hu. You'll see that there are lots of the letter A in here, and that's very typical of all of our place names. Many of them have more letter A's than any other thing. So there you go, you'll be able to practice that. Just remember the letter A is A, the letter, where's an E? Here we are. E is E, the letter I is E, the letter O is O, or in this case O, and the letter U is U. A, E, O, U. And if you can remember to do the letter T correctly, it's ta, 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 te, tu, ta, ta. Cool. Do you want to have one last practice together? Taumata, whakatangi, hanga, ko, au, o. Tamatea, turi, puka, ka, piki, maunga, horo, nuku, po, kai, whe, nua, ki, tana, tahu. Perhaps you can practice and get quicker at that. It's a bit of a party trick probably, but I like it because it's a really good way of practicing our pronunciation and getting confident. And if your brain hears your mouth speaking that, it's going to gradually realise, hey, that's the Māori language, I'm gaining confidence because I'm practicing a lot. Okay, ka kite.